cameras on?
Yes.
Great. Okay, early morning this Friday before going to the track for a practice session. I want to show you this, what I got in the mailbox. Setup system, what you need. Basically, you can go with a caliper, a knife, and another good tool. But if you want to look cool in the pits in the same way, SkyRC. This parts just came into Sweden. Set up. You got the droop block in 0.2 millimeter increments. You get the ride height measurement also in 0.2 millimeter. You get the blocks, 10 millimeter block. Looks like everyone else on the market. They are also hollowed out to be lightweight. Do you see that on the camera? That's a hole in there, milled out. And we got this one.
But what do you do with all this stuff?
I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with it, okay? Shall we open it up?
Yeah!
So this is the SkyRC Setup system.
Is it for like the RC planes?
No, it's for the RC cars.
Oh, why does it say Sky?
SkyRC, yeah, that's a very good question.
Yeah, it sounds like it's for like the
SkyRC.
my plane. That's what we're building, and my other plane.
Yeah, SkyRC is just a brand.
Okay.
Maybe it started like a company for model aircraft. I don't know.
Maybe
they do chargers and.
Maybe
manual.
For all the RC things.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we got inside here. Instruction manual. I think I know how to do it. You see it. Shows what's included. CNC machine, alloy side plate, CNC machined alloy camber gauges, acrylic top gauge, camber gauge, nuts, wheel nuts, carrying bag. So. It's a complete system.
Don't you know how to do all of this? Because you always say to me that you can do everything.
Yeah, I can do everything. Exactly.
So why did you say I maybe can do this?
Yeah, I know. Okay, I can do this. Let's open it up. You can zoom it out a little bit, Leon.
Yeah.
Please. It's really nice that it comes in this type of box.
It already has the stuff.
Yeah, look how it's situated in this box.
Why does it already have all the stuff?
Looks good, right?
Yeah, but it looks like sunglasses.
Looks like sunglasses.
Yeah, that looks like sunglasses.
This is actually the top deck, the top plate, where you wait. I will explain. If you can zoom in here, so you can see the grading, the numbers. This is where you check your. It should be like this. Your toe angle. Nope, not that way around. This way around to be good. Your toe or your steering angles. Quite neat. You can zoom it out a little bit because you got this one cut out. Probably for a body post. You got what is this? Protective film?
It's like the protective. Can I pull screen?
No, you can't pull
screen.
Protective screen. And you got this. Look at these beauties. Fully machined alloy, ball bearings.
Looks brand new.
Yeah, it is brand new. It has the plastic wrap around.
Can I feel it?
Yeah, you can feel it. You can feel it.
I mean, it's smooth. Oh look, spinny wheels.
Is it smooth? Yeah.
I like the spinny wheels. It has like wheels.
It got chamfered and edges.
What's up there?
What's that for?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let me show you. We'll open this one up. This also has gradings on. You're not following me with the camera, Leon. Here. So we put that one there. We open this one. Probably a bag. Yeah.
I think.
It's a bag.
Wheel nuts. A baguette.
Let's see what it's.
Bag with baguette.
Okay, so we got this bolts with a thumb nut.
Just
connect
put
them.
it in there. Not that hard, or else it won't work. But what does the ball help for?
I will show you.
Is it for like putting? Is it for like the car?
Yeah, exactly.
You put it on the car.
I took the wrong one. Look, because how I saw that it was the wrong one. It also got the angles for caster
Yeah.
or wheelbase if you're doing it in the back. You can see that. Are you sleepy? Early morning? Yeah, but zoom out the camera, otherwise everyone will think that we are drunk filming this video.
We're not.
No, I know. So you do it like this. You put two on the side of your car. We'll move this, and I'll bring up the car.
You brought my.
Shall we try it on?
You brought my car.
Yeah, I brought your car here. So if you zoom it out a little bit and be patient with the screen, please. And then you should have a setup board, but I will just do it on the towel here to show you how it works.
Oh, so you put it where those were screws there?
Yeah, on the axles. We put one on each side. On the axles, we
Isn't
use.
it the wrong way?
No, it's the correct way.
Look, there's a gap there.
Yeah, but that's for this one.
Oh.
So you can put that on. And now, because we are on the towel, it will not slide as it should do on the normal tabletop or setup board if you're in the pits. So look at this. Now you can check. Can you zoom it in here, Jolene? Not with the camera, not like that. Just that's too much zooming in. Use the normal one, and then just go close with the camera, like that. Perfect. You can see the camber adjustment. If you don't.
What's the camera?
Camber is the way the wheel aligns inwards. The angle it has seen from front.
If it like that?
If it likes that, you can say basically.
It's kind of like a drift.
Yeah, but basically you give it more and more grip, the more camber you give it. But when you lose grip, you will lose it harder. So if you have 0 camber, you will have a very nice sliding tire, very controllable.
It's not 0.
But if you lean it, you will gain more grip.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like for drifting.
This is so cool.
It's for all the cars, yeah. And then you put the top one. You see the balls now?
Yeah.
Actually, balls will feel the position.
That's what you use it for.
Look, no slob at all.
They look like the car has sunglasses.
And then you align it in the center, in the steering, and you can check the toe-in angle. Can you see that now?
It's 10.
If you, I will borrow the camera.
Kind of like 10.
I can't zoom. No, it's like 1 here.
I can say the number.
Oh wait.
There you
it's
see.
1, because I thought that was like 10.
No, that's not 10.
I'm kind of.
Can
I was
you,
kind of.
what's that? If that's 20, that in the half is
That's 10.
that's 10, and half of 10 is
5.
5. Yeah, great. So this is how it looks. Oh,
So
zoom
why
out.
in the world does it say 0 there?
So we will try this on today on the practice, and we'll take some photos, and we'll be back later, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
That's all you'll ever need. I never wait, and you are still so long.